Today we're going to be playing with some really cool Matchbox and Hot Wheel trucks. We'll start off here. This is a really super hot rod fire truck. Look, it has two engines on it. Really big exhaust pipes, and look at how big those wheels are. Man, that's a really big truck. I bet it puts out a lot of fires. Look how mean it looks in the front. Really cool. Now we've got another fire truck. This one has 6 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's red. And you can see here the engine and all of your fire tools and your sirens and your lights up front. That's an awesome fire truck. And now we've got the Speed Shop van. This looks like a delivery truck for a race car shop. It's blue and it has a complete clear top so you can see in it. Awesome. And here we have a front bucket loader. Really cool tractor. It's yellow. It has the engine in the back and the bucket up front so it can lift and scoop really heavy things. That's a really cool tractor. Now we have the highway hauler delivery truck. This is a really cool semi truck. Blue, and it has yellow stickers on it. This looks really cool. Now we have a military truck. This is a rocket launcher. The rockets rotate and they lift up and down. So you can aim wherever you want and fire the rockets. That's a really awesome truck. Now we have the Army tank. This tank pivots. You can turn the gun, you can aim the gun up and down. That's really cool. This is a Sentinel Army tank. And last we have the Army pickup truck. This is what the Army uses to haul really heavy things in the back here in the bed. It matches the tank as far as color. Awesome. There you have it. There's all your trucks.